So hello students. So I have already finished from question number 1 to 6 in online classes. So now I will do question number 7 from Unix 13.2. So here first you read the question carefully from textbook. A wall of dimension 9.5 meter and 8 meter. Dimension means the first quantity represent length and second dimension is written this way 9.5 meter multiply 8 meter. So here this first quantity represent length and second quantity represent breadth. So far I have drawn the wall here. So this is our wall, 9.5 meter length and 8.5 meter breadth. So here, so in the middle of the wall there is a square shape picture whose side is 4 meter. So here in the question we have to paint this remaining portion. No need to paint this picture, only this portion we have to color, only this portion. So for that, first you calculate area of the whole wall. So length of the wall is 9.5 meter, breadth is given 8 meter. Area of the wall, this length and breadth both are different, that means this is shape of rectangle. So area of rectangle 9.5, length into breadth directly. So it will become 76.0 meter square. Now you calculate area of the picture. Shape of the picture is square, so side multiply side, so 4 multiply 4, so it will be 60 meter square. Now from this whole area you subtract area of the picture, then you will get the remaining area. Now before that you pause the video and write it down. So now I have written remaining area excluding picture. Excluding means now we have removed this picture. So total area of the wall is 76 meter square and area of the picture 4 into 4 16. So it will be 60 meter square. Now we have to calculate cost of painting, color paint at the rate of 22 per meter square. So cost of painting, so 1 meter square cost rupees 22. So 60 meter square cost how much? So 22 multiply 60, it will be rupees 1320. So this is your answer, 1320 rupees. Now write it down. So now students, I will do question number 9. In question number 9, find the cost of laying square grass tiles of side 1.2 meter in a rectangular lawn of dimension 6 meter and 3.6 meter. So suppose this is our lawn. Lawn means a field. So length of the lawn I have assumed to be 6 meter and breadth will be 3.6 meter. So first you calculate area of this whole lawn. The shape of the lawn is given rectangular. So area of the lawn, length into breadth. So 6 point multiply 6 multiply 3.6, it will be 6 6 21.6 meter square. So this is the area of the lawn, 21. I think this will be not visible, so I will write here 21.6 meter square. Now it is visible. And now this lawn we have to fill with square shape grass tiles. Suppose this is our grass tiles. So first you calculate area of one grass tile. So shape of the grass tile is given square, so area of the square is side multiply side. So 1.2 meter, 1.2 multiply 1.2, so it will be 12 12 is 144 meter square. Now, how much grass tile to be needed to fill up this whole lawn? For that, we have to divide. Now, number of grass tiles required. So total area we have already calculated 21.6, and area of one grass tile is 1.44 meter. Now, how you will divide? So first, always you remove the decimal from the denominator. Now, if you look here, after decimal there is 2 digits. So to remove the decimal, we have to multiply both with 100 with both numerator and denominator. Now from here, decimal will remove. Now here 20. So 10 will cancel with this decimal. So it will be 2160. And this 0 is cancelled with this decimal place. So now we divide 2160. So 144 1 is 144. Now 72. 14 5 is 70. So it means we need 15 tiles. So again, find the cost of laying. Now we have to calculate cost. One grass tile costs 18 rupees. So total cost of one grass tile is 18 rupees. So 18, and we need 15 grass tiles. So 18 multiply 15. So it will be 18 15 is how much? Rupees 270. So we need 270 rupees. So this is our 2. Don't forget. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during online classes. Next, I will do question number 10. So now I will do question number 10. So I am telling you, before solving this type of question, first always you read the questions carefully. The floor of a hotel room dimension 5.5 meter and 4 meter. So here it is made up of red tiles, square tiles, so find the number of. So here, how many red tiles required and how many white tiles required we have to calculate. So for that, I am not explaining the question. Just while solving, I will explain here. So first you calculate total area. Length is 5.5 meter. I will write here 4 meter. And breadth I will assume as a 4 meter. So this is the length and breadth of the hotel room. So area of the hotel room 5.5 multiply 4, you will get 22.0 meter square. So this is the total area of the hotel room. Now inside this hotel room, one portion is covered with red color tiles and another portion is filled with white color tiles. So now we calculate area of red tiles. So here length is 4 meter, breadth is 2.5 meter. So area of red tiles will be 4 multiply 2.5, it will be 10 meter square. Now we calculate area of white tiles. So from the total area of the room, subtract red tiles area. So total area is 22. After decimal, no need to write 0. Minus 10. It will be 12 meter square. So this is the total area of the room. This is the area of red tiles area of white tiles. Now how many red tiles required to fill this area? We have to calculate red and white tiles. So now video becoming longer. So after that, the side of one tile is given 20 centimeter. So here unit is given in centimeter, but in case of room, the unit is meter. So this centimeter we have to convert in meter. So 20 divided by 100. Then it will be 0.2 meter. Now calculate area of one tile. So shape of the tile is square. So side multiply side. 0.2 multiply 0.2. It will be 0.04 meter square. Now how many white tiles required? White tiles required to fill up white area. So we have already calculated white area is how much? I think 12 meter. So 12 meter square. Now 12 divided by area of one tile 0.04. Now how you will divide? For that always you remember first you remove the decimal from denominator. Here after decimal there is 2 digits, so multiply 100. So I will multiply here. 12 multiply 100. 0.04 multiply 100. It will become 1200. It will become 4. So you divide with 1200 with 4. You will get how much? 4 3s are 12. 300. So number of white tiles required 300. Now how many red tiles required? So area of red tile 10. 10 again divided by 0.04. It will be 250. So you divide 10 by 0.04 with same method. You will get 250. So answer is 250 and 300. So only this much for today. Thank you.